Hello again everyone. This time I've come to Clough Waterfall. It's a nice waterfall actually. I've been a few times before. With all the recent rain we've been having, I'm hoping and thinking there's going to be quite a lot flowing in the actual River Douglas where the waterfall is situated. Just near Rivington, behind the, I think it's one of the schools, Blackrod and Bolton High School or something like that. Anyway, I've just managed to get myself here, so we'll just take a look. Now I'm just about approaching the waterfall itself. You might even be able to hear it, and there is plenty flowing over. I'll just spin you around. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's just over there. So what I'll do, I'll just climb down this embankment and I'll bring you back shortly. So I hope you've enjoyed the footage there of the waterfall. If I spin you around about there is another one just over there. You might just be able to see it. It's very slippy on these rocks and it is flowing quite a lot. I'll give it a try and I'll get back to you very soon. And as you can see, this is not the best of places to get to. So that's just a quick look at the waterfall at Clough in Rivington. A quick shout out to Tim Day. We'll have to get you down here, Tim Day. It's just ideal for you. Anyway, as always, many thanks for watching and see you again very soon.